Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a makeup haul that I got for my birthday, which was a couple of days ago. I've just turned 57 and I thought it's about time I got serious with my makeup. I mean, in the past I've had some lovely high-end makeup, but I've also had some rubbishy makeup, and I tell you what, it makes such a difference with your skin type and the way you apply your makeup and the actual consistency of the product. So you just need to have really good stuff. I'm not saying in the past I didn't have good stuff, but boy, have I got some good stuff to show you now. So let's just get on with it. So I thought what I'll do is I'll show you first of all this promotion one that I brought, which was an Estee Lauder. So it includes, as you can see, all the full 5 set favorites, 5 products, Ferrez and Telmonte apparently. So I got all of these. You buy, I think, I don't know, about $110 worth. No, you've got to spend $120 of Estee Lauder products, and then you can buy this for about $110, I think it was. So this is actually worth about $700. So I did that. I brought all that. I'll show you what they all look like. Oh, they're amazing. The stuff is absolutely amazing. So it came with a case, and this is what the case was like. Oh. So this is the case. A lovely little travel case. It's got Estee Lauder written on there. It's just beautiful. Look at the front of it. So yeah, so it's all in here. I haven't done it. There it was, all in there. But anyway, obviously you take the plastic out and you fill all that up there. But it was so lovely. So I'll just show you what I actually got from that one individually. So you've got, I'll have to put my glasses on for this one. So you've got, where are we? The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and you've got a little travel size one as well. So we've got those ones. It's just beautiful. I have used this a long time ago. Got those ones. And then you've got these, some of the little sample ones. That's the Revitalizing Supreme. Oh, where are we? Can you see that one? Okay, anyway, I'll tell you about it. Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. It is just beautiful. Lovely packaging again. Then we've got the eye palettes. I love the eyeshadow palettes. They are like this. How good do they look? They are beautiful colours. You got your little blusher in there. Not the blusher, that's a contour. Is it contour? What did I say it was? I think it's the contouring one anyway. Some lovely colours. I really like the cool colours because I thought they were really good colours for me. So I've got those. And there's a really good shimmery one on that one too. I love that one. This colour as well. So with 2 palettes. And I don't think I've used that one yet, but that's what that looks like. Aren't they gorgeous? Estee Lauder Candy Glow. And there's little instructions on the little booklet that tells you which numbers to use where. And it's got it on the back of them as well. So you can see that. So they came with that. What else came with that? A beautiful eye makeup remover as well. So that's really, really nice. And what else did we get? Those 2 there. Oh my goodness. It's just, the list was endless. I've got a couple of lip glosses. I love this one. I've got this one on at the moment. Yeah, lovely little applicator there. Little brush. It's not actually a sponge. It's a little brush. So I've got those. And the 2 lipsticks. So again, lovely applicators there like that. And it's the colour I've got at the moment. So that's the colouring for that one. And then the other one, I've actually got that one on my lips at the moment. And a really, really red one there. Haven't tried that one out yet, but this is what that one's going to look like. So they are lovely. Oh, and the mascara. Wow, mascara is just beautiful. It's not waterproof. It's just Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. Now that is a really good one because it doesn't go clumpy. Like the one I've just been using was a Napoleon one. It goes really clumpy. This one is just brilliant. The wand on that looks like this. So you can see that there. It's so nice. I highly recommend that. So that was those. Actually, that's everything from there. That's everything from that little set there, which is luxurious for me. Oh, and I didn't show you the other colour as well. And that was probably, oh, where are we? Yeah, that's the other colour lip gloss as well. So that was what I got with in the gift set. So that was all that lot there. And what I had to do was, like I said, buy something worth 120. So what I brought was the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, Stay in Place makeup, and it's in number Desert Beige. So that was the one I got. I think that was about 60 something. Yeah, that's lovely. I brought the little applicator as well because it doesn't come with it, so I had to buy that as well. So that made up part of the money to buy it. And then I got an Estee Lauder a smoke eyeliner. That's really, really nice. That's got the little tip on that is just really easy to control, and then it stays on so well, and then you just got your little smudge on the end. So, and then to make up that, like I said, I brought the applicator as well. So those three there was 120, and then I went on to purchase the Estee Lauder one. Brilliant! So that was that little set. Now, gifts from my family, well, they treated me something rotten. So what I got from family members was an Yves Saint Laurent lipstick, beautiful colour. This one is like this, and I'll just show you how that one looks. And it's all square. It's like from Yves Saint Laurent. It's all square, so you can be more precise on your lipstick. And I got my initials on that as well. My daughter-in-law got me those with my initials. But a beautiful, beautiful product, and it's just creamy and absolutely divine. So that's so nice. And that comes in a lovely little package as well. Okay, like that one. And she also got me Charlotte Tilbury, a Magic Eye Rescue. So I got that as well. And that is like amazing. Eye cream, Magic Eye Rescue eye cream to help brighten and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. At 57, I've definitely got wrinkles, but this is brilliant. That's what it tells you to do with it. So what you do, it's a lovely thick consistency, like that. You just take out, it's so thick. You use your ring finger, and what you're supposed to do is dab around the little bit around here, this bit here, and then you do up the top around your eyebrows, and then just rub it all in and give it a little bit of a massage. And that reduces the puffiness, so where your wrinkles are, it kind of expands your skin, so it makes it a bit more smoother. It's brilliant. It's really, really good. I've actually been using it day and night, but I just don't want to use these things up because I'll use them out. But I think, yeah, if you're going to get that, it's fantastic. And I actually put a little bit on down the bottom here, because as you notice on my videos, I've got these saggy jowls. So where the creases are, I actually put a little bit of cream there just to see if it puffed it out. Because I'll tell you what, if I go close up like that, look how nice my skin looks without saggy gels, and then they just go back down again. So I've actually put a little bit of that pumping stuff just in those bits there. So yeah, what a difference. I think I need a facelift or something. So I've got those two products. Then I was recommended by my daughter to buy this. Now this is Kevyn Aucoin. This is a brilliant, brilliant eyelash curler. It's really, really wide, so you can fit all your eyelashes in. And I'll just, I need a mirror to look in, but I've got a mirror. I won't show you what I mean. You just literally, I don't know if it's going to work like that in the camera, but yeah, it's just brilliant. See, and they are the best ones. I think it's to do with the rubber. For some reason, these just work better than anything else. If you can get yourself some Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curlers, they're brilliant. Because I don't wear false eyelashes, but they do really lift my eyelashes up really, really well. So I've got those as well. And then I also got some I've had this a couple more weeks earlier than my birthday, some Laura Mercier face primer as well. So when I've applied the double wear, I need to make, or when I apply that, then I apply this one, because I need, with this being really thick for my mature skin, because it's a little bit dry at the moment, you just need a primer on. And I applied this with a beauty blender, so I've really rinsed out the beauty blender and patted it on like that. So that needs to be like moist. So wash that, rinse it, and then sort of soak it in a towel just to really dry it out. And then you can apply this stuff really good. But there's loads of videos on YouTube of applying this double wear, because it's really quite thick and cakey. It's just the way you do it. So make sure you have a primer on first. So then I also got a voucher from Mecca Maxima from my son and his wife. So I treated myself to some Morphe eye brushes, or brush sets. So this is a little like a seasonal set, I suppose. So what I got was all these brushes here in a little set. They were about 45, so they're not overly expensive, but it's a brilliant little set, and it's got numbers on the bottom, and it tells you on a little bit of paper, you know, what numbers you use for what. So that was a lovely little set, and it comes in that little bag there. So that's the Morphe eye brush range. So, but I did actually buy another one yesterday, and I actually included, I think it's Crown. I think Morphe might have changed, and Crown was the blending brush as well. So that is a really lovely little set. So I've got that as well. I just got so much, it's brilliant. So when I wanted to do my transition colours, I also brought a couple of these from MAC. Now, I'm finding these are good transition colours. I'll tell you what colour this one was. I brought these as well from this Mecca store. So that is Royal Rendezvous, and it's a very similar colour to my skin colour. So I use that, and then I use the blending brush to just buff it all through. It makes such a difference when you have the right tools. Now, I've had some really good brushes before, but it's just nice to get some nice new ones and really know what you're trying out. And the other colour I got was a soft brown. Admittedly, this isn't really the right colour, but I can still work with that one. So those are the another two I got. And wow, I reckon that was it. There's a whole heap of stuff. But what I'm going to do, I will do some videos on trying out these products. I'm still working around how I apply these at night. Like if I put that on, and then that, or that, and then that one. You know, and then maybe do I put Charlotte Tilbury on as well, just to pump it up at night for the skin. I'm not sure. I'm still learning it all anyway. But I thought, you know, it's about time I started using some really good quality products now, because my skin's, you know, quite dry, and like I said, it's a wrinkly neck, and I've got the jowls here. So I'm really trying to do the best I can with my my face and my skin. So that's a fantastic start. All these lovely skin products, look at these, this is just beautiful. I love them all, I love them all. So I think from now on I'm gonna have to start using some really good stuff. But I love using all my makeup, so what I'll do is I'll just do some reviews, you know, in the next few weeks on 1 or 2 of the products, and you can see what I think of them. But, so sorry about that. So yes, so basically that was all my new makeup for a new beginning, you know, like being 57 and really starting to really care about skincare. Oh, one other thing I did, I started to shave my face. I hopefully won't have the peach fuzz now, so I did do that a few weeks ago, and I redid it last night as well. So I've now upped my market and gone a bit crazy and started, you know, taking more care of my skin. So there's the makeup I used today. I was experimenting with it as well. So, you know, I don't know, it might have worn off a little bit now. But, yeah, very excited to go into my next chapter of my new edition of makeup, get rid of some old stuff and reapply it. Because when I look back at some of my videos now, I think, wow, that makeup looks awful. The application looks awful. So all you beauty YouTubers out there, everyone I watch, I've learned heaps from you all, and so the skincare stuff's been really good to watch from some of the other YouTubers, and yeah, I've learned a heap. So thanks again for anyone who's watching who's produced this sort of video with all the lovely makeup and the makeup techniques. I've really learnt a lot. So yeah, happy days. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.